Bro, there's no way you just asked for a cotton candy flavor? I mean, first you guys wanted a strawberry cheesecake flavor, and then it was ranch after you guys begged us months for it, and now it's cheeseburger, but it seems like you guys don't even like this flavor anymore, so starting today, we're giving these bags away for free. Right now, when you get the variety pack sale with cinnamon churro, our newest flavors lemon pepper and sour cream and onion, maple brown sugar and ranch, along with our classics like backyard barbecue and cheddar jalapeno, you're gonna get 2 more free bags of cheeseburger with your order for today only. But this deal is only good for today, so if you want to try the newest cheeseburger flavor before we run out of stock, make sure to click the link right here.